The time has come. Time to freshen her up. This is an aluminum block LS1, 241 heads, CNC ported, big valve, big spring, LS6 intake. Got quite a bit of lifter noise, more on the driver's side. PSC pump squealing at me, and I got a deep squeal, maybe a crank bearing down low. We'll see what that turns out to be. The LS is all Holley driven, computer, harness, digital dash, Holley fuel rails. It was flawless plug and play. I'm running dual switch pros to send power to the whole car. There's a squeal coming in. You hear some lifter noise. Already took some of the panels off to make it easier to get to. Gonna do compression test, maybe leak down test. Let's see. Not too much of a tick on this side. This side tick's definitely louder. And the deep tone squeal sounds low, so maybe a crank bearing. We'll see. I'm gonna start tearing into it and see what we find. As you can see, yes, I will be going through my coilovers also. You can see how much preload sitting on each other. These springs are pretty shot on this side. I keep having to crank down on a little bit more. They are 100s over 150, I believe. Sitting pretty light. Let's see, focus on, yep, 100 over 150. I think I'm gonna up them slightly, maybe do a 150 over 200, or even a, yeah, I don't think I'll go more than that. It's been riding pretty nice, but I still need to get a bypass. Power steering pump. PSC pump. Here we are. Pretty stripped down. Intake off. Alternator out. Radiator out. Just need torque converter bolts, bell housing bolts, and motor mounts. So then we'll get her picked out, put on the stand, and go from there. See what we have. Pretty dirty. Well, by poor design, my fault I guess, I can't get one bell housing bolt out. Requires me to pull the interior. So this is where I'm at. Pull the interior just to get to one bell housing bolt that's back in there. Hits the firewall. So I think I'll pull the floor and maybe notch it out and make something work. Can't pull the floor just to pull the motor. Here I'm getting the motor ready to pull, so when Blake shows up, he's gonna help me open up the LS and see if we can find anything that sticks out. her out. What's she looking like, Blake?
She's pretty. Pretty messed up.
Pretty messed up.
Drain plug had a lot of shit on it. See how she looks inside.
Here we are. This is what we found as of now. After getting the cam out, seeing the wear on the cam, we decided we should send the block off to my buddy Roger. He's going to pull the mains, check out the crank bearings, see what else we need to address to the motor, possibly rings. We'll see what he has to say. I know I do want to put a healthy cam in it, so we'll wait till I hear back from him. Stay tuned. Loaded up, strapped down. Time to get her freshened up.